Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with the vehicle stopped and the simulator paused. Open the vehicle customization menu now. Once the menu is visible, navigate directly to plates so you don't waste time searching. Make sure you have enough in-game credits and the correct plate type selected, private versus commercial changes available. You see the plate divided into state, alphabetic series, and numeric digits. You will edit each field in turn. Start by selecting the state code, drop down to proceed. Now you edit the plate segments one by one so the simulator accepts the change. First, pick the correct state code. The tooltip explains any regional formatting rules you must follow. Next, change the alphabetic series. The input validates illegal characters automatically, so you can't proceed with wrong symbols. Finally, type the 4-digit number, including leading zeros if needed. Once done, preview the plate on the vehicle model to confirm spacing and font before moving to payment. Finish by reviewing the preview and clicking Apply. Confirm the in-game payment to commit the change. Once applied, make sure the plate appears correctly on the vehicle in both exterior and camera views. If the simulator rejects the plate, recheck the exact format rules. State code, series length, and numeric count are the usual culprits. If visuals don't update, reload the vehicle or clear the game cache. When all else fails, take a screenshot and contact support for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.